is one of the most important tests in sports engineering: balanced mass distribution. Today, we're going to be sports engineers and test 3 different soccer balls. In 2019, soccer balls were tested here on the International Space Station. On Earth, gravity masks some of the design principle effects we talked about. But in microgravity, we can observe ball behavior in ways that are impossible to observe on Earth. Look closely at this ball. This ball was intentionally made to be out of balance. Now watch what happens when I spin it. Notice that wobble? This ball demonstrates what engineers call static imbalance. This ball's mass is unevenly distributed. This could be caused by areas of thicker or thinner material, for example. The unevenness in the distribution of weight impacts its movement, causing it to wobble. Our next ball shows what happens with strategic mass placement. Watch carefully. Did you see that flip? This is called intermediate axis rotation, and it's actually useful in some engineering applications, like keeping the International Space Station stabilized. But not so much when you're trying to kick a ball straight into a goal. This effect happens when a ball's weight is evenly spread out from its center point, but there's extra weight added along one axis of the ball. It's imbalanced or asymmetrical, affecting its axis rotation. On Earth, a ball like this will feel balanced and not roll back and forth when you see it on a flat surface, but its rotation axis will change when it starts spinning. Look closely at this ball. See how smoothly it rotates? This demonstrates dynamic balance, or the ability of an object to spin at equilibrium without irregular movements. Engineers achieve this by carefully controlling the weight and placement of every component from the bladder to the panels. Modern soccer balls undergo extensive testing to ensure this level of performance. From the physics of mass distribution to the engineering of world-class sports equipment, understanding how materials behave helps us create better technology, both on Earth and in space. The next time you watch a perfectly placed soccer ball sail into a goal, remember there's some serious engineering spinning inside that ball. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and maybe someday you'll engineer the next breakthrough in sports technology.